Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and well, we're here with a little different little project today, as you can probably tell. It's a DIY, and I will explain in just a second what I'm envisioning, or maybe I don't even know if it's a vision, but I'm going to try this out. So before we do that, a welcome back to everyone who has subscribed and follows and comments. I appreciate you very much. Your participation in my channel is what makes me keep on going, and I love it. And for those that are new, well, hold on to your hats, because this is a little different one, but I'm really glad that you're all here. I know this lighting is not going to, or I've got this, my boom up as far as I can get it, but I think we'll be okay. You just might not be able to see everything. So here is my challenge. We have a family Christmas party every year, and each year it has a theme. And this year my aunt chose a charcuterie board theme with a little contest, and we're supposed to come with the cutest charcuterie board with whatever we are bringing. So, for example, my cousin is doing a, he's doing I think, nacho board. Somebody's doing a fruit board, a dessert board, sub board. I'm doing a chili board. So, I had some ideas to do just with the food. And I was going to make a wreath and, you know, have all the condiments, the cheese, the sour cream. Well, I don't like my stuff touching. So I was like, I don't really like that. So I was in Wally World yesterday, Walmart, and I was like, what can I do? I wanted to do a wreath. I knew that. And I thought, you know, maybe I can just make my own wreath and then do something with the food incorporated, right? Well, then I started grabbing all the supplies I would need, and it was getting really expensive. And then I found this. This is a pre-made wreath from Walmart, $19. It was way less expensive than if I would have purchased all the items. So the first thing I did was grab some lights. These are LED battery-operated lights. And the cool part about them is that they're beat syncs. So they respond to music. So if you turn it on the first one. Uh-oh. I just had these going. It took forever to turn them off. There we go. So if you have it on the first setting, then when music is playing, it will, you know, beat bop to it. Or you can have it pulsing or blinking. Well, so I wrapped those all. That took a little bit of time, and I did not want to do that on camera. So those are all on there. So I'm going to turn them on or off. And you just got to press down. And then I've got it tucked back in here. I will probably adhere that with a little, let me get one out so I don't forget, with a zip tie. Where are my clear ones? When I'm all finished so it doesn't fall off. I did keep the box that it came in, so it looks like a huge, huge cake box. So when I'm done for transport, I'm just going to put it right back in there. All right, now let me show you the other things that I got. Besides this and the lights, I did pick up this, and I thought, if there's any way to salvage this afterwards, I may hang this in the middle. So I don't think I'll do anything with, I don't even think I'll take that with me, but I'm going to set it over here just in case. I got all the hose. I got the hose. I wanted to do a great big letter A. They had some letters there for Erringdale Christmas, but they didn't have an A. They had all the other letters. Then I bought this little tin. How much was this thing? $2, $2.50. And I thought the oyster crackers can go in here. See, there's no chance that things are going to touch. No sour cream touching the crackers. So that will be sitting in there. The chili, it's in a crock pot, so it has to sit on it as an aside. Now, here's where it gets interesting, and you're going to be like, really, Angela? But I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I bought a pack of these little Rubbermaid things with the lids on them. So my intent, I'm waiting for my glue gun to heat up. My intent is to strategically place these, intersperse them. I don't know if I'd like to do 5. Let's see. So, and then I can just replenish so I've got sour cream, cheese, pickles, jalapenos, crackers. I did get Fritos because I know some people like Fritos. What else did I get? Shoot, I don't know. Maybe I don't need 5. Cheese, sour cream, pickles, jalapenos. Oh, and well, time out. I'm going to be right back. Okay, it was pepperoncinis. So, cheese, sour cream, pepperoncinis, jalapenos. Well, excuse you, Ruby, and pickles. Okay, so I'm seriously just going to hot glue these in there. I'm going to leave them empty in transport and then fill them when I get there. So we'll see how this goes. This is as creative as I could get. And like I said, there was a lot of cute things on Pinterest, but nothing that was really floating my boat. I'm like, well, that's kind of typical. I wanted to do something different. So maybe before I start gluing these in here, I should figure out where potentially I want them. This is kind of nice because it looks like the meshy stuff has come out a little bit. One could go right here. So there's 3. 5 is a lot, I will have to say. One could go right here. Oh boy. Okay, well, we'll just put that there. It'll go there somewhere. And then number 5. Oh, I brought my step stool over here so I could. How come this one's not going on very well? Are you not working? Did I get gypped? There we go. Maybe we'll glue this one that way. Yeah. Okay, so those will go this way. I did bring my step stool so I could stand up here and check it out as I go. Not that anybody is going to be looking at this like that, but whatever. And then we can put all the hose in there too. All right, let's start with this one right here. And I'm literally just, I mean, it's only temporary, right? It's only for one night. So I'm really putting a lot on there. And we're just going to see what happens. I probably should put some little... So I don't know why I decided just to hop on here. I thought it would be kind of fun. Something different. Day in the life of Angela's goofy ideas. Okay, this one I do want. I want this one right there and this one right here. So let's do this one up. Now, oh, you know what I didn't think about? Oh, yeah, well, let's just hope that this Rubbermaid is, well, it can go in the dishwasher, right? So I wouldn't think the glue would melt it. Oh, I got my finger in there. And I can come and reinforce, put things together. Okay, let's get this one in, and then I'll spin it. Well, this isn't taking me nearly as long as I thought it would. But yeah, it would have taken me way longer if I was going to make my own wreath. I got to figure out where I'm going to put the ho-ho-hos. Okay, that's good. So we just got these 2 left, right? All right, let's move this up a little bit. All right. Kind of want it in there. Well, it's almost like it's got a nice little place for me to tuck it in anyway, right? Come on. Okay. I don't know what Ruby's doing. She had the zoomies right before I started this video. Oh, she's playing with her toy. I did use some packing tape on the back of the wreath of the foam, and just to secure those lights. Okay, wait now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I don't really want stuff to get in there. There we go. Turn it. And then we just need to figure out where the hose go. Well, this was easy. Oh yeah, I did take a picture. I was like, oh shoot, I was going to take a picture of my supplies before I started it. I need another glue stick in there. Although I might not even need to glue the hose in there. And I did grab, when I took my little break to see how many things I needed. Let's just glue. I'm going to glue this. I know you can't see it, but I'm going to glue this little. I don't think it's going to hurt. I'll just glue the battery pack in here. It's probably easier than trying to figure out how to get the zip tie in there. Well, okay, I'm not. Now imagine, I'll take a picture when we go to when we have the party with everything in it. Okay, I need to stand on my stool here, and we got to see where the hose are going to go. Okay, if this is like this. Let's see, let's zoom you out. You can probably see my little tootsies on my stool. All right, hang on. I'll come in just a little bit so you don't have to look at my pens. Okay. So, I think right there. Do we want them all together? This isn't the easiest to do when you're standing up. I'll cut. I got some trimmers. Yes. Okay. So now, let me step down. And let's trim off. Goodness, this is going to be tricky. Oh, gosh. Okay, well, I want them right there. Look at this. I don't think I have bigger. Here, we go like this. Let me look in the drawer here and see if I have some bigger ones. Maybe, but it's very unlikely. No, they're all little ones. Well, let's see if I can get through this layer by layer. And I kept the lids on these while I was making this because I don't want any goobery stuff to get in it. And they've been cleaned. I mean, I bought them and then I cleaned them and then I dried them and put the lids on them. Because once they're on here, it's not like I can... Oh my gosh. Look at this. I don't know what this is made out of, but these... Come on now. We got this. All right. There we go. I don't know why that... All right, now... There we go. All right. All of the hose. making sure that's in there. But, I mean, okay, let's not talk charcuterie. Let's just talk adding your own flair to a wreath. You know, if you just bought this simple wreath and then, you know, added a few things like the ho, ho, ho or whatever else, I think it'd be pretty cute. And then I just have these little baby, these are from Walmart too. They were $1 a piece, and they're just different kind of hot sauces. So I thought I would just tuck them in and around, you know, when I get there. So there you have it. My very interesting, very quick chili charcuterie display. We shall see how this goes, and I will take a picture of it with all of its condiments in there. So until next time, friends, thanks for hanging out with me on this very quick video, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.